There's something deeply humbling about a nativity stable made from pallet wood. It is simple, unpolished, yet profoundly meaningful. Because the story of Christmas has always been about simplicity, about light born into humility, about beauty emerging from the ordinary. And a pallet wood stable captures that truth perfectly. It is not just a decoration, it is a reflection of what this season really stands for: hope, warmth, and renewal, made visible through reclaimed wood. This table has always been a symbol of quiet beginnings, a humble shelter, a place of peace amid the noise of the world. When built from pallet wood, it speaks that language even more clearly. It is not about grandeur or perfection. It is about presence, about creating something sacred from what others might overlook. Each board tells a small story of transport, of use, of wear, now reborn into something that shelters the story of Christmas itself. That transformation feels almost spiritual. Pallet wood is honest. It carries the marks of work, scratches, grain, and weathered tones that no factory finish could ever imitate. In those imperfections lies the real beauty. They remind us that the sacred often hides inside the simple, that even rough wood can glow with reverence when placed in the right form. When light falls across its uneven surface, the grain catches it in fragments, a play of shadow and shine that feels alive, almost breathing. That is what makes reclaimed wood magical. It holds both history and humility. A pallet wood nativity stable doesn't rely on elaborate carvings or ornate details. Its power lies in restraint. A few vertical planks, a pitched roof, a floor made of joint boards, perhaps uneven but sturdy. That is enough, because meaning doesn't depend on decoration, it depends on intention. And in that simplicity, it becomes more than design. It becomes meditation, a reminder that true beauty doesn't demand attention, it invites reflection. Wood always grounds us, even in the heart of winter, when the world feels cold and distant. Wood keeps its quiet warmth. The nativity stable brings that warmth indoors, not just visually but emotionally. It smells faintly of earth and time. It looks like it belongs to the past and present. And when surrounded by soft light, pine branches, or candle glow, it becomes something more, not just part of the decor, but part of the mood of the season. It connects the sacred story to the natural world it began in. Using pallet wood isn't just a design choice. It is a statement about renewal, about giving new purpose to what was once discarded. That is exactly what the Nativity story teaches, that value doesn't depend on appearance but on meaning. That what is humble, can hold the divine. In every reused plaque, there is a metaphor: transformation, continuity, redemption through creation. The very act of building this table becomes symbolic, turning the forgotten into something revered. The beauty of such stable lies in the human touch. Every saw mark, every uneven edge speaks of real hands and real time. It is not machine perfect, and that is the point. The irregularities makes it human. They make it alive. When the maker aligns each board, it is more than carpentry. It is an act of devotion, a silent gesture of respect for a story that continues to inspire across centuries. And when it is finished, this table doesn't just hold figurines, it holds meaning. For many, the nativity scene is more than a seasonal display. It is a small altar, a space to pause, to remember, to feel gratitude. And building it from pallet wood adds another layer of meaning. The idea that beauty can rise from the ordinary, that grace can live in reclaimed spaces. Even after Christmas ends, the table stands as a reminder of simplicity, patience, and renewal. Each board carries its own story, each shadow its own mood, and together they create something that feels both ancient and alive. So until next time, happy decorating.